China to debut Silk Road Eye early warning radar at Zhuhai Airshow. China will unveil an active phased array airborne early warning (AEW) radar which it calls the Silk Road Eye at the 2018 China Airshow or Zhuhai Airshow next week. Developed by the 14th Institute of China Electronics Technology Group Corporation, CETC, the radar will be mounted on the KJ-2000 early warning aircraft based on an IL-76 design. Going by comments in state-owned media, the KL-2000 and the Silk Road Eye radar would be offered for sale to foreign countries. At present, China is the only country in international military trade market that can provide such complete early warning aircraft, a statement in Global Times said.